Hi all, so this is September's Craftiosity box. It's been with me a couple of days, but I'm just getting around to filming it, so sorry for the delay. As usual, I do sort of know what's in here because they give us sneak peeks, but I haven't actually gone through it yet, so it's going to be fun to see. Yeah. Now, as usual, all the legal jargon stuff is, I buy these myself. They are my opinion. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with them at all, and if I recommend them, it's because I like them. Okay, so this is a pretty card, isn't it? Usual writing about it all. And then we've got our little booklet that shows us what we're doing, which this time around we have felting needles, foam pad, grey wool, cream wool, red wool, black wool, a wicker ring, a ribbon and some wire. So the only things we need to get extra is scissors and a ruler. And we're going to be needle felting this little fella. How cool is that? So this is the wool, carded wool. That's got actually a good amount. I do have a needle felting kit, but I've never actually used it, so this is going to actually encourage me to use my kits because I haven't used it yet, but that's quite nice. So this is the sponge. It's pretty solid, so I think that's a good thing, isn't it? But that's pretty good. It's not a bad size, is it? I mean, that takes up my whole hand. Look, I could literally cut my hand out shaping that. So that's a really good size. So these are the felting needles. We've got light, medium and heavy. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So hopefully they will explain the difference and which ones I should be using, because I haven't got a clue. And this is the wicker ring. It's really nice. Cool pad. No, it's a 16 centimetre one. But it's really pretty. So that's cool. So let's have a look what we got in here. I think that's the last thing. Yeah. Yeah, so we've got the black wool. Oh, it's so soft, it's lovely. And then we've got, take it out of it. There we go. So there's our wire. And then we've got this lovely ribbon, which is not a bad length. There you go, so that's folded in half and then folded in half again, so it's a pretty good length, isn't it? So yeah, it's going to be fun testing this out. Just put these back in here a minute so we don't get it all messy. So yeah, I think I'm going to really enjoy learning how to use all this, because I really do need to learn how to use it all so I can use the kit that I got. So it's going to be interesting to see how this comes out. I'm going to do all this on camera so you can watch me learn. Same with the rest of the boxes that I still haven't done. I'm going to do them on camera at some point, so do check back and you can see me testing out these kits as a complete newbie, so you'll see what it's really like to use from complete no knowledge on it. So do check back soon for October's box. It will be somewhere around the same sort of time as this one, because they get shipped out on the 15th and usually get to me between 3 to 5 days later. But yeah, do check them out. If you just Google Craftiosity, you'll find them. If I remember, I'll pop a link down in the comments, in the description for you, but I know I'm terrible at remembering to do links in the description, so I might not, but I hope you enjoy testing out this kit if you've got it. If you also get these boxes, do please share in my YouTube group what you make with them, because it'd be lovely to see everyone's makes and see where I'm going wrong. But I'll see you all soon. You take care. Bye.